Hey guys, it's Meredith. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little vlog where I go visit my friend Kylie at the lake. We're going to go on a boat and like have a little lake day. And I've actually never been to Kylie's house, so that's exciting. And my best friend Ansley's coming, and then our future roommate, we're all gonna be roommates next year, which is super exciting. So we're having like a little roommate get together, but one of our roommates couldn't make it, but then another one of our roommates, we're living with a total of 5 people. So we're gonna be meeting one of our roommates named Chase for the very first time this weekend. It's not the weekend, but and I'm just really excited to go see everyone. I've been separating from Ansley and Kylie for like 2 days and I'm already really just depressed, so it's time to go see my girls. So I wanted to bring y'all along and do a little vlog. So I'm currently trying to upload one of my other videos because I said I was gonna start uploading on Tuesdays, but for some reason my computer, it just takes so long to upload YouTube videos. Like, I don't know why, but I guess it's just because it's a long video. But uploading videos is the biggest chore because I never have time to just sit on a page and keep it open enough for it to like upload. So we're going through that. It takes me like an hour and a half to get there, so it's gonna be a little bit of a drive. But hopefully this will upload while I'm on my way. I'm connecting to my hotspot. I hope that actually works. And it's at 25% right now. I really just want to get this video up for y'all so I can get the schedule going, but I hope it works. So I will see y'all when I'm at Kylie's.
In 1 mile, turn left onto East Villanelle Street.
Oh my god, okay. I'm not really sure how the copyright thing works, but if you can hear these songs, they're my favorite right now. Ew, don't look at my crusty nails.
Turn left onto East Villanelle Street.
Slow down, love, it's too bright out there. This is interesting because I don't have service. Oh my god.
I'm the bad guy.
Maxine to the rooftop, I wanna see. This song is so sad, but I love it. Like, I love it for some reason.
Turning blue.
Billie Eilish is my girl.
You go 5 words you never say.
She like touches my soul in a way that no other music does. I don't know.
6 million ways to mob, choose one.
Riding through the canyon, you said it like a joke. Everything is blurry, you don't even know. How am I gonna come? You walking through the party, you laughing without. I didn't wanna go where you've been, but protected with my soul where you've been. It's your GPS giving home where you've been. Matter of fact, I don't even care where you've been. Brothers get up on me, out of here with that green.
I just want to say that things have gone very badly currently. So my tire pressure light came on, and right before that I was like, my car kind of feels weird. I pull over to check my tires to make sure nothing's wrong. One of my tires, you can hear the air coming out of it. It's going flat. You can literally see it's going flat. I'm in the middle of nowhere, so I don't have service. So I'm about to have to go into this sketchy gas station to ask to use their phone because I literally don't have service. I just tried to call my mom. My phone literally won't work. It won't send text messages. I'll just show you the tire because it's really just unfortunate because I don't really know what to do. Like what this would happen while I am in the middle of nowhere. Oh my gosh, it's literally flat. Okay, things aren't going well. Okay, this has never happened to me. Okay everyone, so the adventure is continuing. I walked into the gas station to ask if I could use the phone. The lady said no, because it was a business phone. So I said my tire is flat, like I don't have service, I don't know who to call. But she was on the phone and she ignored me, so that was annoying. And so I walked over to a little store across the road. I don't even know what it is, but this man said he could help me. So he came over here and we're trying to change my tire, but we don't have like the equipment that's needed or something. So for some reason in my spare tire there is no something. My tire's completely flat. He says he sees like a nail in it or something. He let me use his phone to call my mom, so now she's coming to hopefully switch cars with me because she's not that far from me at school. She's teaching. So I can't believe this is happening right now. And I'm so uncomfortable. I almost cried, but I didn't, so that's good for me. I just want my mom to be here because, I don't know, this man's trying to help me and I feel bad, so. He went to go look for a tool and my mom's on the way. Hope she hurries. So, kind of stressed, kind of sweating, but it's fine. Hopefully we'll make it to Cartersville eventually, but I can't text anyone that I'm running late because my phone doesn't work, so. Having a great time. Okay everyone, I am in my mom's car now. We got my spare tire on. My mom had to come and give me her car so I could continue going to Kylie's. But that took forever. I'm sweating. That was nerve-wracking, but I'm thankful for that man. He was very, very nice. And thankful for that my mom could come get me or come give me her car. So, little change of location, but we're on our way now again. Let's hope it doesn't continue going this way. Yikes, y'all are not gonna like this. Oh, it's still on timer. Hold your pose. 5, 4. It's just really not good.
I don't like it. I don't know people do.
I need it to be. I need to be closer. That's the thing. But like right now, it's just like hard.
No. Are you kidding me? We're not doing that. Okay, what's another cute pose?
Okay, we're gonna turn the timer off now.
What's a cute one?
I don't know, maybe just act.
Okay,
Ooh, I don't
that might have been good.
I'm not gonna like this. What do I do?
No, I don't like this. I don't like it.
over than over.
No.
I don't know. How do you spell it? I can't do it.
You just itch your throat.
Oh, see, I got it really good right there. Hi, guys. It is now the next day from when I went to Cartersville, and we had the best time. We didn't actually go on the lake at all. We just kind of hung out, sat by the pool, shopped a little bit, and hung out, and it was so much fun. I had such a great time. I don't think I've ever been to Cartersville, to be honest, like to actually the downtown Cartersville, so that was a new experience, and we all had a really great time together, and I thought I would just jump on to give y'all like a little outro video so I didn't just leave me hanging. And I'm currently at my hair salon about to get my hair done, and I accidentally just went to a boutique and bought some stuff. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know. That was... I didn't mean to. I don't know. I love you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry I didn't like vlog technically a lot. I just did a lot of montage things, but we were just hanging out, so I wanted to just be in the moment, you know? But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below on your video ideas. And yeah, bye guys.